Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Easy Tips for Beauty. I hope so you are all good with the blessings of Allah Almighty. So in this video I am talking about useful home remedies to remove whiteheads from face and nose. So first of all we will talk about what are the causes of whiteheads. Before getting on with the home remedies and natural cures for whiteheads, let us know exactly what causes whiteheads. Well, we all know the whiteheads are formed when sebum gets trapped inside the follicles. But why does the skin pores get clogged? Here are the few common reasons and explanation. Number 1. Hormonal changes. Hormonal changes during puberty, menstruation, pregnancy and menopause can lead to the formation of whiteheads. During the periods of hormonal changes, the amount of sebum secretion increases, which block the pores and cause whiteheads. That's why the women are more prone to whiteheads compared to men. Number 2. Certain medicines. Certain medicines such as birth control pills that affect hormone level can trigger whiteheads and acne. Rise in level of androgens. Androgens are male sex hormones that are present in different degrees in both men and women. Increase in androgen hormone in women due to the hormone replacement therapy or menopause may lead to the whiteheads as well as pimples and acne. Number 3. Heredity. It has been noticed that sebum production is controlled by heredity and genes. Genes can make the skin more sensitive to hormones. People with acne-prone skin are more susceptible to get whiteheads. Number 4. Makeup and cosmetic use. Excessive use of cosmetics and makeup can lead to the whiteheads and acne because even when makeup is removed, it leaves behind the traces and clogs the pores. Number 5. Poor skin hygiene. Improper skin care, not cleaning the face regularly and not removing dead skin cells through exfoliation leads to blockage of pores, which invites bacterial infection and whiteheads. So now we will talk about the treatment of the whiteheads on the face and nose. So first of all, number 1 is sandalwood paste. You can make a sandalwood paste by mixing 2 tablespoons of rose water to 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder and apply it evenly on your face. Let it dry completely and wash off with the water. Repeat it 2 to 3 times a week to get the desired results. Number 2. Tea tree oil. It is the best to apply tea tree oils after diluting it with water into the ratio of 1:9. Cleanse your face and dab the mixture on your face using a cotton ball, leaving it to dry. Don't rinse your face, so it will leave the best results. Number 3. Lemon juice. Cut a lemon into the half and extract the juice by squeezing it. Add the equal amount of water to the juice. Immerse a cotton ball into the mixture and tap a lemon juice solution to the affected area. Applying it once a day is enough because too much lemon juice on the skin causes skin irritation and dries it out. Number 4. Rice scrub. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to the 1 teaspoon of rice flour and mix them to form a sticky paste. Smear it on the face and nose. Wait for 20 minutes and remove it by gently massaging the face with water. This procedure can be tried 3 times every week. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar. Dip a cotton ball in organic apple cider vinegar and apply it directly to the problem area and let it get soaked into the skin. Apple cider vinegar is acidic and might cause a burning sensation and irritation. Number 6. Sugar and olive oil scrub. Add a few drops of olive oil to the 1 teaspoon of sugar. Use a soft toothbrush to apply this exfoliator on the face and rub it. Continue rubbing for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash off with cold water. Apply this scrub once every week to get noticeable results. Number 7. Oatmeal scrub. Mix 4 to 5 tablespoons of powdered oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and apply it straight on the face. Leave it for 20 minutes and wash off with water while rubbing and massaging the skin in steady circular motion. Reapply this scrub 1 to 2 times every week. Number 8. Gram flour. Mix 2 tablespoons of gram flour with enough yogurt so that it forms a thick paste. Smear this mixture evenly on the face and wait till it dries completely. Now scrub it off by splashing water on the face and massage with your fingertips. Repeat it 2 to 3 times a week for amazing results. Number 9. Baking soda. Add a little water to 1 teaspoon of baking soda and turn it into a thick paste. Smear it evenly on the affected area. Wait for 10 minutes and wash off immediately. Keeping it more than 10 minutes can dry out the skin excessively. Use this cure 2 to 3 times a week until whiteheads are removed completely. Baking soda should not be applied to sensitive skin. Number 10. Green tea. You can consume 3 to 4 cups of green tea on a daily basis and apply green tea to the face. Steep 1 teaspoon of green it in a gap of warm water for 10 minutes. Dip a cotton ball in the tea and wipe your face with it. Don't rinse it off. Number 10. Tomato pulp. Cut a tomato into 2 halves and simply rub the juicy pulp right on the face, focusing more on the areas with the whiteheads. Let the juice soak in for 5 minutes and then rinse off with water. You can reapply this cure as many times as you want. Do's and don't to prevent whiteheads. Treatment and removal of whiteheads once and for all requires some lifestyle changes, which include proper diet, sleep, skincare, and hygiene. Here are few measures that help prevent whiteheads from appearing. Keep your face squeaky clean by washing it twice a day with a mild cleanser in order to minimize the chances of oil and dirt building up in the pores. Exfoliate your face using good quality scrub at least once every week to get rid of whiteheads, dead skin cells, and impurities that clog the pores. Scrubbing can leave your skin dry, so it is essential to hydrate the face with a moisturizer irrespective of your skin type. You can opt for oil-free moisturized if you have oily skin. You can apply a clay mask once every week. Clay masks work as effective absorbents that help to soak excess oil and sebum from the skin. Remove makeup every night before you go to sleep. Makeup can clog the pores and contribute the formation of whiteheads. If you want to optional for medicine to remove whiteheads, then choose facial products and cleanser that contain alpha hydroxyl acid, salicylic acid, or benzoyl peroxide. Resist the urge to pop whiteheads with your hand because it may turn into painful pimple. Avoid excessive exposure to the sun. Follow a fruit and vegetable detox diet plan for 2 to 3 days every month to flush out toxins from the body. Avoid spicy and oily foods, carbonated drinks, coffee, chocolates, and alcohol. So guys, by applying these ingredients, which are easily available in every home and in every kitchen, you can completely get rid of your whiteheads. So if you like my channel and like my video, please like the video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.